Hey guys, all right, today we're going to be showing you the functionality of the QR intercom. So if I am a guest and I'm arriving to the community and I need to access the directory, this is what it's going to look like. So I'll take my phone, open up the camera, scan this QR code. It's going to pop up with leasing and people. So you can call the leasing office directly or you can call the resident that lives at the community. Now I'm going to click people and I'm going to search by last name. So give me a second. I have a sound. So there I am. Now it's going to give you a couple different options. You can audio call or you can request FaceTime. What it looks like on my end here, it shows somebody's calling me from the community. I have access, request video, and call. I'll show you what it looks like if I request the video. It's going to say confirm Gavin Iverson is requesting video. Yes. And now we have video. So if I want to grant access to this person, and boom, they're in.